Tipra Motha Yakar BJP Banar Romkha Kahambai Lamsogo. Tipra Motha Yakar BJP Banar Romkha Kahambai Lamsogo. BJP Jinabad. BJP Jinabad. Actually Sampi Mondol Jinabad. Actually Sampi Mondol Jinabad. PK Madam Jinabad. PK Madam Jinabad. Modi Ji Jinabad. Modi Ji Jinabad. Dr. Manik Saji Jinabad. Dr. Manik Saji Jinabad. Bolo bolo Bharat Mata ki. Bolo bolo Bharat Mata ki. BJP. BJP. Actually Sampi Mondol. Actually Sampi Mondol. PK Madam. PK Madam. Hambai jotono.
Belai ke hambai. Media person orang angkaisa kok kaisa thanisanan mucung mani ke hai. Ani mung Ramdin kai peng Tipra Motha ni block secretary. Kaisa warriors. Tabuk. Ha? O parar ibu mung ka lok te para andar don lekha visini. Kok thaisa thanisana mucung mani ke hai. Point number 1. As a Tipra Motha leader, 3 years kawi tong mani yagulo bo. Kisa pona demand dabi rimaya. Ani kami borong no. Tipra Motha no Yakar BJP no join khaisina hinai public rock ano pressure mani bagai tabu oro phainan nangkha BJP o join khana nangkha. Onek dukhu nango Tipra Motha ba 3 bosor kawai mungsa ang dabi romaya. Abon main ani pressure, public pressure. Abon bagai tai point tong ang sanai. Point number 2 kisah angkai pekok bai besanai. Any development kaina petai mi ha join kenti. Z party any party development remanai. Bono jeng thang nai join khai nai hinai jeng ta tini chini Mondal President Podo Kumar Kaipeng no kok sawai chap lai jeng decision nakha boni bising bias money jono abo very close he is very close to me bon bagai jeng joto tabuk join khai mane belai khen hambai chini PK Madam no bo phaikha sok phaikha lama hamya lama no phunuk alama hamya no phunuk nani tabuk to Tipra kami wo bahai ken condition no nai tabuk to sijak nujak abona chini deprive. That is why I would like to say something about village development. So we need a village development. Because of that, we cannot. We have sacrificed for 3 years as a Tipra Motha, but now we have come to know that we are no longer Tipra Motha. So it is very unfortunate. We are deeply saddened that we love the Bubagra, but in the political field, we need a development. So we can no longer stay with the Bubagra. So in place, we are joining the Modi government and under the leadership of our MDC Brom Ganang Sipson Lian Kai Peng Bobo Angbai Kok Salaye Chini condition na the Nigran development bahai betong tabuk tansa azaga watching bo BJP no haite but abo bo tansa ble abone main chini demand development demand signo 23 families 70 voter no ang toy phaika Tipra Motha no karei BJP zone phaika 70 voters signo target to ang taising ang sajak road development nango tai baksa katal family nanay tong ration card krei job card krei tam sanai. This is the main fact. Tai abo di bisingo bazar ombi bazar thangnani bising thangnani bu ekdom kosto gari hamaya konoma test habo abo di bagai others taile sana asakri abono ani problem
kalau je buji mani main target nang para ni development ni
abo to bisoi para development nango
development ni bagai join kin mani na
abon bisinga chu chini student rok bangma tongo hapano lama hamyan bagai chini friends rok berai phaina mu chung hapano chini parao busuk amo hamya ni bagai chini a condition there are so many educated person in this village but we can't bring that to our friend
tama problem tong madam bai salai kada
madam bai botos halayakho hapano we will talk after sometimes but as after we joining but through under the leadership of our MDC Sipson Lian Boba Kisha Boni under Sibo Tang Kaiba Boni Moteka through Boba Salene.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.